In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva and turn it into a video in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to liven up a presentation or create dynamic content for social media, animating your photos can add a captivating touch. Let's embark on this simple yet exciting journey using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that makes creativity accessible to everyone. Firstly, you'll want to pick the image that you're planning to animate. Have this ready in Canva, open the project you're working on, or start a new one if you haven't done so already. Canva gives you the flexibility to use your own photos, or choose from a wide range of stock images if you're looking for something specific or inspiration. Once you've settled on an image, it's time to proceed to interact with it within Canva's interface. Next, we'll click on the image you're working with. This highlights the image and opens up a menu of options on the toolbar, which allows us to edit and experiment with different effects. By selecting the image, you're simply telling Canva this is the component you wish to modify and animate. Now let's bring some life to our still image by adding animations. On the top menu bar, you'll find an Animate button. Go ahead and click on it. This will provide a drop-down menu showcasing various animation styles that you can apply to your chosen image. Canva offers a wide range of animation techniques like fades, pans, or even more dynamic ones designed to emphasize and highlight different aspects of your design. To keep things straightforward, let's opt for the blur animation effect. Click on blur from the available animation options. This effect can give your image a smooth, transitional feel, capturing attention and adding an element of surprise as your photo comes into focus. It's as simple as clicking it, and Canva applies the effect instantly, allowing you to preview exactly how your animation will look in real time. And there you have it. In just a matter of clicks, you've transformed a static photo into an engaging animated piece. Remember, you can experiment with other animation styles and settings to better suit the mood and message of your project. Let your creativity guide you, and don't hesitate to explore the various features Canva has to offer. With practice, you'll be creating stunning animated visuals in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your creative projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy designing!